So hey everyone, Akshay here and welcome back to Tech Binder. So here we are having this ColorFit Pro 2, which is an Apple Watch killer, and in this video I'm gonna tell you why it is so. So if you can't afford an Apple Watch like me, or if you don't want to spend a huge amount on the Apple Watch, so definitely this can be considered as an alternative. Well, it's not about affording the Apple Watch. For that you need to have an ecosystem also. So the Apple Watch are not compatible with your Android devices. So for that you need an Apple iPhone. Wow, that's great. So you need to spend 40,000 on Apple Watch and then almost around 70 to 80,000 on an Apple iPhone. So if you're not having already the ecosystem, you need to spend more than 1 lakh to get this feature. Okay, so here we are having this ColorFit Pro 2, and the best part of it is compatible with both iOS and Android devices. So I love all the features of this smartwatch except one, which I'm going to tell you in the end of the video. So stick to the end of the video to know what it is. So without any further ado, let's get started in this video. So here we are having Noise ColorFit Pro 2 fitness smartwatch, and when we talk about some of its features, it is IPS touchscreen, 45 days standby, which is like huge. Menstrual cycle tracking, so it would be very useful for women, not for me. So there are multi-sports mode which you can select when you're doing that exercise. Heart rate monitor is there, smart notification is there, and this is IP68 waterproof. So you can swim by using this watch. So this is a polycarbonate case, and we are having the TPU strap, so it's very comfortable on the hand, I think so. So this is compatible with both Android and iOS devices. Thanks to this is having the Bluetooth version 5.0, latest and greatest, and weighs almost like 35 gram. So let's unbox it and let's find more about this watch. Okay, nice packing you will find here, and here it comes. So here we are having the straps, pulling it out, and also the watch. And so this is the function button which controls the functionality of this watch. So before using this watch, you will find here that please charge to activate the watch before use. And here we are having this TPU strap, which looks like comfortable and premium. Let me wear it and let me tell you more about it. And I've already charged it, so I can power it on. Press and hold it for 2 seconds and this will be powered on. Boom, here we are. And this is not the first time setup. I've already set this watch up so to check it how good this is, but in this video I'm going to tell you from the very beginning. So here we are having a charging cable inside the box, and this one looks really great. So, and this one is like a magnetic attached charging. So if you try to do it in a reverse way, it will not be attached to your watch. So this is a very good mechanism to detect it whether you are putting it in the right way or not, and it's magnetic. So if the charger is resting on the table and you just bring it closer, boom, done. Really love that mechanism and thumbs up for that. Okay, this is not wireless charging, and do not expect a wireless charge in just 3000 rupees. So here we are having a register your product pamphlet, and you can scan this code or visit that site and can register it. Inside this packet we are having a detailed user manual guide. So I would highly recommend you to go to this user manual guide before doing anything on this watch. So keeping everything aside, and let's talk more about this watch. Attaching is very easy. All you need to is pull that pin to the leftmost side and try to attach it. Okay, done. So here you will find the magnetic charging pins and also a heart rate sensor. So if you swipe this watch right, you will get sports mode, heart rate, breathe, alarm, music, stopwatch, setting, and sports record. Go to the setting, and here you can change the dial, that is the look of this watch. You can choose whatever watch style you want, and I love this one very much, so I will stick with that. Next thing is that you can increase the brightness, and that too by using this. Go to setting and then click on the dimming. So here you will find that the 3 stars, which means it can go almost from this to this is something in the medium, and this is the maximum brightness. I seldomly wear watches, but this looks funky on my hand and I think it will be in you too. So if you're the one who don't love watches a lot, please let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so let's try the heart rate sensor and let's try to calculate what is the heart rate. So for the convenience, we want to test it by using our phone also. So my phone is also having an inbuilt heart rate sensor thanks to the Samsung. Okay, let's try to compare it. So this one is more like calculating my heart rate in the current, and this one is showing 82, 84, 85. So this is almost similar to my phone. So this is really great. So the accuracy wise, the heart rate is working really great. So there are a couple of features which I really love on this watch, and one is that giving the details of your workout, whether it's a step, whether it's a kilometer, or whether it's a amount of calorie burned, and even will give you a week total. So that part is really great. So if you swipe left, there are some of the shortcuts, like you can enable or disable the heartbeat monitor, and also twist to wake up, and there's a DND mode, and also the best feature is that finding your phone. So if you are connected with a Bluetooth and you are paired with your phone, if you click on this, you can definitely find your phone as it's going to ring it. If it is in vibrate mode, definitely it will vibrate it. Now swiping to the right, you will find various modes here, like sports mode, heart rate, breath alarm, music, stopwatch setting, and sports record. So as I've told you, there was a problem with this watch in the starting of the video, and that was that whenever you turn the Bluetooth off on your phone or you shut down this watch, and again if you try to reconnect it with your phone, it will not be connected. So again what you need to do is that you need to unbind it, again bind it, and if you have done some settings, you need to again tune those. So that was really a hectic work, and we are living 2019, we don't want to do all that stuff, but right now it seems it has been fixed because I'm not facing any issue. Thanks for the ColorFit Pro 2 for listening us and for fixing this bug pretty soon. Now moving on to the battery life, boom, it's absolutely great. So I've been using this watch for almost 4 days and it is working great. So even though I'm in the sun, I can still see the screen on this watch. So when we talk about the step counter and all, it works really great. So I've compared this to my phone and it gives me almost around 97% of accuracy. And also this is having an IP68 waterproof rating. So if you want, you can even swim with this watch. The Best Buy link for this watch will be in the description. You can go and purchase it from there. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, give me a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed my channel till yet, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button now, and don't forget to smash the bell icon to get latest video notification.